is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining and repairing body's tissue, support immune system functions, and keeping us feel full and satisfied. While many people associate protein with meat, eggs, and animal products, there are plenty of excellent vegetarian sources of protein. In this video, we will explore 3 vegetarian protein sources that can help meet your dietary needs while promoting health and well-being. Number 1. Legumes. This category includes black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils, and peas. Legumes are not only an excellent source of protein but also are low fat and high in essential nutrients. They are a staple in many vegetarian diets. 1 cup of cooked lentils, for example, provides around 18 grams of protein. Number 2. Tofu. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is a versatile and protein-packed food made from soybeans. It is an excellent source of plant-based protein and is widely used in vegetarian and vegan cuisines. It is also rich in iron, calcium, and other essential minerals. Half a cup of tofu contains approximately 10 grams of protein. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are not only delicious but also packed with protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are few examples of this protein-rich category. A quarter cup of almonds contain around 8 grams of protein, making them a satisfying yet nutritious choice. Well, a nicely balanced vegetarian diet can provide all essential nutrients, including protein. By including these foods in your diet, you can meet your protein needs while enjoying a variety of tasty and nutritious dishes. Hope you liked this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.